Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable autofill in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Here's what you have to do. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to autofill and hit enter, and then scroll down, and then you'll get this option here for address and search bar. Click on this one. Okay, now we'll have a lot of options here, which one of which says manage search engines. So this is one part, and the second one is search suggestions and all. So it says show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. If you turn this off, you are turning off autofill, and if you turn off the second one, you're also turning off autofill. So these are the two types of autofills we have, and this is how we can disable both of them. I usually keep them disabled for privacy reasons, but that's your choice if you want to enable them or disable them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.